Hey there, we got a bird boy man reaction with Clarence's belly. Oh, the heck are we? Hey, go. Oh. Oh.
Good one, Sumo. You want to go
That
pull
face.
some tail? Oh, sure. Oh, can't. I got some stuff I gotta do. Later, Craig.
Cricks, like cricket or something like that, but yeah, the face shape and the hair, it's like, yeah, probably should get that shaved off.
Bleh.
Oh, poor goat. They do play through the sewer. Does he travel from there and home?
Rise and shine, little dudes. Hey, pop,
Oh.
pop, gimme, alligator, motorcycle, hot dog. You hungry for some grubbing?
Cheezos? Oh, you're doing the mama bird thing, but he's raising baby chicks. That's so cute.
Yeah, I hear you. Wiggle chirping. Okay, open those
Oh,
hatches.
funnel. Ugh. It's still disgusting though.
Alright, little buddies. We gotta get to school. You guys stay put till I get
But
back.
it's good to know he has a caring nature. Oh. Aww.
Whoa there! How'd you get out? You know you can't fly. You guys are growing out of this old bunk.
It's really adorable that they pretty much think of Sumo as their mommy. That's adorable.
I'll come back later and build you guys a new nest. But for
Aww.
now,
The coliander?
Brothers looked at each other inquisitively.
Did I say that correct?
Hold on a second. They knew that they had to get cut back with fear. Sumo.
Oh
Okay, class, it was just a bird. Okay, I'm sure he's fine.
Oh my god, it just slammed into the window. What? But also at the same time, I love how over time Jeff is becoming more like he is a neat freak and everything. But, you know, he's still one of the boys.
Okay, let's get back to
He
reading.
loves
In this
goofing.
chapter, someone dies.
What?
It was almost midnight.
Someone dies? That's when the story's getting good.
The boat started
DJ!
eerily still.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Oh.
Oh no, hot sauce. Did you follow me all the way
And he
here?
knows them
Don't worry,
differently.
little guy. We'll get you fixed right up. Home sweet. Where'd everybody go?
Oh, of course they knocked over the coliander, but I love that he knows each bird and how different they are to know them by name. But they escaped. Where's babies?
Motorcycle. Alligator.
Oh.
Quit playing, I'll cook your highness.
Oh!
Well, looks like it's just you and me now, hot sauce. Not sure what to do with you. Except take you home with me.
Oh, for a second there, I thought he was gonna put the bird in the fridge. Okay, I'm glad that wasn't the case. Oh. Oh, I swear there's more dogs now. Oh, to keep him upright. Oh. Oh.
Hey, you're getting pretty good at this.
Ryan,
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Yeah?
I just got a call from Miss Baker saying you haven't been to school for 2 days.
Oh, it's been 2 days since that. Oh, dang. But at the same time, it's gonna be sad when that bird grows up and has to leave the nest, right?
You better not be hanging out with that goat kid again.
Oh,
You know what
Cricks?
this means.
Huh? No, not that. Mom, no, please!
Oh,
Oh, it stinks.
bath time? Bath time is a punishment? Aw. Oh, Sumo!
Absolutely not. We are not gonna play
Sumo! Was that absolutely necessary? Did we have to see that there was a mole on his butt too? Who added that detail? I like bats and I also like birds. I like Hot Sauce. He's my favorite bird. When I grow up, I want to be like Hot Sauce! An F! He's got a really interesting handwriting though. Oh, it's growing up! Oh. What? Strong enough to pull him? Dang!
What?
Hey, Sumo. We've been really missing you around school, buddy.
But I just love that he's really caring for the bird.
I hope you're feeling okay. And
That's so
we brought
sweet.
some of your homework too.
Oh, hey guys.
Heard Miss Baker called your mom.
The pizza on the bed.
This place is messier than normal.
You guys let the dogs play inside again.
No. Hot sauce.
Oh,
Doesn't look like hot sauce to me.
that's hot sauce poop.
Guys, meet hot sauce. What do you think?
Wow, he's so fast.
Yeah, I wonder what kind of bird hot sauce is, especially if it's strong enough to pull sumo. Oh.
I think he thinks I'm a bigger bird.
Hi, hot sauce. Look at that cone. He's beautiful.
And loud.
Play with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay, the rules of freeze tag go like this.
He's so
First person
fast. Oh,
Too slow.
Oh, that's me.
Ah, gotcha.
but I gotta say, it's nice to see Jeff play around more rather than, like, you know, his usual freak-out nature. Oh. Is that Uno?
I think I'm really close to
Oh
beating
my
you guys.
goodness.
Don't eat the cards.
Your move, Sumo.
Hold on, guys. I got it. Hold on. Hold still now.
Has he only been eating cheese puffs, though?
Okay, maybe we can play something without hot sauce for a little while.
What are you trying to say, Jeff?
I mean, hot sauce has been getting in the way a lot. It is a wild Boyd.
I don't know, Sumo. Hot sauce is great and all, but he's an animal. He's meant to run and hunt and...
Oh, and scream.
Comfortable hanging out with him.
Oh, whatever, Jeff. You're always salty.
Salty.
Hot sauce, right, buddy?
Oh, he's great.
Oh, oh.
I mean, okay, he's a little much.
I mean, yeah, look
If
at
you can't
Clarence.
handle my hot sauce, then you can just scram.
Sorry,
See you at
Sumo.
school, Sumo.
I mean, don't you see how damaged Clarence is? Just kept attacking him like he is a bigger bird. Like he's the prey to hot sauce.
Unless you never go back to school.
We don't need those bozos. We don't need anybody. We got our own guys' night out.
I know he was high. Oh, wild card.
Guys.
The leash. That Brian Griffin looking dog.
All right, time for some grub. Hey, is eating chicken gonna be weird for you?
But at the same time, remember when he had to hide the bird from his mom before? Don't his parents realize he going around? Correct. There's a right answer.
wish I was a boy.
What?
What? Oh, sweetie? Well, then who'd be my little
That's a
girl?
crazy question.
Hey, Dad, can you keep that bird as a pet?
Bird?
Oh.
What are you...
Took the phone.
My phone, come back here!
Sir, there are no pets allowed in the restaurant.
I feel sorry for that. I love that she's still working here, but dang. Too many birds? The movie?
Too many birds.
Too many cooks will spoil the broth.
I've
Oh.
loved you since the beginning. Please, don't confuse me. Just hold me.
Don't tell me what to do,
Oh.
Jennifer. Who's the scientist here, you or me?
Oh my!
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, you saw that the Rough Riders lady was in there.
I got a bird. He's the coolest bird.
Oh, nice wig.
He got rockstar hair. Look, Hot Sauce, a bird pal.
Oh.
She's got baby chicklins.
Chicklins?
Stepdad.
Oh.
Hey, that's the way to treat a lady. Hey, stop it. Get off me, man.
Oh, is Hot Sauce like territorial? Like, this is my territory, get off.
Jeez, what's wrong with you?
The bird's gotta be let go. Dang, it's so fast.
Stop doing that.
Oh, the markings on the face.
I don't know if I can handle another bath.
Was that the first bath in a long time?
Fine, okay, we'll go outside.
Oh, is that the Roadrunner? Is that the Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote? Oh.
Well, we're outside.
Such a cool looking
This is what you
bird.
wanted, right? So do your thing, I guess. Oh, are you really just gonna stand there?
Yeah, but oh!
Come back here!
He dipped.
Hot dog, wait!
But I take it that you really don't want to let go of hot sauce, but that bird getting too big, like how long has it been? Unless that bird grew up really fast.
Oh man, which way did you go?
Oh. The squawking, the running. It's like the cartoon. Sumo chasing the Roadrunner. Oh. What the? Hold on though, was Jeff like petting a flamingo, like a fake flamingo? Oh. Oh. No, hot sauce is flying.
Stop! Let go!
I can't! He's my friend!
He doesn't want to let
He's
go.
just a bird, Sumo. He belongs in nature.
Then maybe I do too.
So it's just that he really cares for the bird so much, but he is just like a parent, a mom, don't want to let their child go.
You're not a bird man! You're a boy man!
You're a boy. Oh, wait, whoa.
Jeff, look! You're actually flying!
How in the heck?
So long, guys. I'm living with the birds now.
What?
You're
How is that bird that strong? Oh, that bird that strong.
I want to go with you.
Does this hurt?
Nah.
How about
Man,
this?
broke his foot.
What about this?
Hey, Clarence, how about giving that cast a break, huh? Sumo, you need anything else, honey?
Nah, I'm okay.
All right, well, if you want any pop, there's a couple under the frozen thighs, so your brothers wouldn't get them.
Oh, nice. You gotta hide the good stuff so the other kids won't find them. And she telling him the secret.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh,
I gotta go clean up that mess that darn bird left everywhere.
all the poop, right?
Yes.
We're glad
So
you
much
stuck
poop.
around, Sumo.
Oh well, it was probably for the best anyway.
Clarence.
Now Hot Sauce is free to run and beat up all the birds he wants.
Just like you, Sumo.
Aw, Sumo, don't be sad. We're gonna take care of you. You're gonna be our baby bird now.
Oh, no, Clarence, please do not be thinking what I'm thinking you're gonna be doing.
Open your mouth, Sumo.
Ugh.
No, Clarence, you don't
No,
have to. Stop! No, no, really, Clarence.
Is he blowing or sucking? Oh, did he just throw up? Oh, he was just trying. Oh, that's not no Clarence. Oh, he was. Ew. And it's through the funnel too, so it's coming. Ew, Clarence. But I gotta say, it's nice to have a sumo-focused episode where it's him being a parent. I think he's trying to be a better parent than how he's being a solo parent to his one kid rather than like his parents trying to take care of everybody. But it's nice that his mom started taking care of him because he got his foot broken and everything. So like, he's getting some special attention from his mom right there. But as a bird man, bird mom, whatever, he doesn't want to let go of his child, Been growing up with him, but I want to know how long has it been since he's been in school? Like, that bird grew up really quickly, right? But that bird grew up really strong and really fast, though. Like, is it a Roadrunner? It was running around super fast, like Sonic speed and everything. So maybe the cartoon was like, oh yeah, that's the Roadrunner, and Sumo is the coyote. Something like that. But it's nice to see, like, the kids just be kids, with Jeff and Clarence just playing around. Like, Jeff's playing around more instead of just freaking out all the time, But it's crazy how. So I guess Mom was okay with the bird, even though Sumo was trying to hide the bird. Makes sense. I mean, they already have a bunch of dogs. Guess they got another pet, a big runny bird. Either way, hope you enjoyed the reaction though. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment about what you think, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll catch you next time.